Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can clear up space in your CapCut PC app by clearing the cache files on the app itself. What it means basically is that you've downloaded a lot of their stock videos, effects, filters, stickers, text effects, etc., and it's going to be downloaded in that cache file. So to delete that, it won't delete the effect, but like you just have to, it means that you have to download it again. Go to menu, and I'd like to just go back to homepage for this one. Select the settings tab here. Can I not select the setting? There we go. And as you can see, I auto delete the cache every 15 days. You can do 30 days, 60, or even 90. You can also select don't delete cache files if you have like a lot of space. And to delete it, just press this one. See, it doesn't affect the use of history projects. If you need for use stickers, effects, and other materials, you'll need to download them again. Press OK, and it's going to remove that. And once you're done, you're just going to hit the save button. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!